In this breaking news update, we dive deep into the Senate's groundbreaking approval of $2,000 stimulus checks set to hit bank accounts nationwide this Monday. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about these direct payments, eligibility requirements, and what this means for residents across all 50 states. Welcome back, everyone. This is your go-to source for the latest stimulus check updates and financial news that matters to you. Before we dive into today's massive announcement, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the latest developments. Now, let's get into this game-changing news that's affecting millions of Americans. Breaking news has just emerged from Capitol Hill as the Senate has officially approved the much-anticipated $2,000 stimulus checks, with the IRS confirming that direct deposits will begin hitting bank accounts this coming Monday. This landmark decision comes after months of negotiations and represents one of the largest direct payment initiatives in recent history. Let's break down exactly what this means for you and your family. The newly approved stimulus package includes direct payments of $2,000 for eligible individuals, with additional provisions for dependents. This is significantly higher than previous stimulus payments and reflects the government's recognition of the ongoing financial challenges many Americans are facing in the current economic climate. The IRS has confirmed that residents in all 50 states will be eligible for these payments, provided they meet the basic qualification criteria. For individual tax filers, the full $2,000 payment will be available to those with adjusted gross incomes of up to $75,000. For married couples filing jointly, the threshold is set at $150,000. These thresholds represent a balanced approach to ensuring the funds reach those who need them most while maintaining broad coverage across the population. One of the most significant aspects of this new stimulus package is the speed at which payments will be distributed. The IRS has streamlined its distribution process based on lessons learned from previous payment rounds. If you've received prior stimulus payments via direct deposit, you don't need to take any action. The money will automatically be deposited into the same account. This automated process ensures that millions of Americans will receive their payments as early as Monday. For those wondering about the payment timeline, the IRS has outlined a clear distribution schedule. Direct deposits will begin processing on Monday, with the majority of eligible recipients receiving their payments within the first week. Paper checks will follow shortly after, with the first batch being mailed out within 10 business days of the initial direct deposits. The impact of these $2,000 payments cannot be understated. Economic analysts project that this injection of funds will provide significant relief to households struggling with rising costs of living, while also stimulating local economies across the nation. Small businesses, in particular, are expected to see increased customer spending in the weeks following the distribution of payments. It's important to note that this round of stimulus payments comes with enhanced provisions for dependent coverage. Families will receive additional funds for each qualifying dependent, regardless of age. This includes college students and adult dependents who were previously excluded from some earlier stimulus payments, making this round more inclusive and beneficial for extended families. For those who have recently filed their taxes or updated their information with the IRS, there's good news. The system will use your most recent filing information to determine eligibility and payment amounts. This ensures that those who have experienced changes in income or family situation will receive the appropriate amount based on their current circumstances. The IRS has also announced enhanced tracking capabilities through their online portal. Recipients can monitor the status of their payment through the Get My Payment tool on the IRS website, which will be updated regularly to provide real-time information about payment status and expected delivery dates. For individuals who don't typically file tax returns, the IRS has maintained simplified procedures to ensure they can still receive their payments. Non-filers can use the dedicated online tool to submit their basic information and receive their stimulus payment. This includes seniors, veterans, and individuals with limited income who might not otherwise be required to file taxes. State agencies across the country are preparing to assist residents with questions and concerns about their payments. Many states have set up dedicated hotlines and online resources to help people track their payments and resolve any issues that might arise during the distribution process. The Treasury Department has implemented additional security measures to prevent fraud and ensure that payments reach their intended recipients. This includes enhanced verification procedures and coordination with financial institutions to identify and prevent fraudulent activities. For those who have changed banks since their last tax filing or stimulus payment, the IRS has established a process to update direct deposit information. However, it's crucial to act quickly through official channels to ensure there are no delays in receiving your payment. The economic impact of these payments is expected to be substantial. Economists estimate that the $2,000 payments will inject hundreds of billions of dollars into the U.S. economy, providing a significant boost to consumer spending and economic recovery efforts. Local governments and community organizations are preparing to assist residents who might need help accessing their payments or understanding their eligibility. Many communities are setting up information centers and providing resources to ensure all eligible residents can receive their payments promptly. For those concerned about tax implications, it's important to note that these stimulus payments are not considered taxable income. Recipients will not need to report these payments on their 2023 tax returns, making the full $2,000 available for immediate use. The IRS has also implemented special provisions for mixed-status families, ensuring that all eligible family members can receive payments, regardless of the immigration status of other household members. This inclusive approach helps ensure that the economic relief reaches as many eligible individuals as possible. Banking institutions nationwide are preparing for the influx of deposits, with many announcing that they will process the payments as soon as they receive them from the Treasury Department. Some banks have even committed to making funds available immediately, rather than waiting for traditional processing times. For those who have experienced changes in their financial situation since their last tax filing, there may be opportunities to receive additional funds through the Recovery Rebate Credit when filing 2023 taxes. This ensures that individuals whose circumstances have changed can still receive the full amount they're entitled to. As we wrap up this important update, remember that staying informed is crucial during this distribution period. Keep an eye on your bank account starting Monday, and make sure to check the IRS website for any updates or changes to the distribution schedule. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to provide updates on the stimulus payments and other important financial news that affects you and your family. Hit the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any crucial updates about these payments or future financial assistance programs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more updates as this historic stimulus payment rollout continues. Stay safe, and we'll keep you informed every step of the way. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay updated on all the latest stimulus news and financial updates. Click the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new content. Leave a comment below letting us know how you plan to use your stimulus payment, and share this video with friends and family who need this important information.